it's me, Ariana. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't like me or my videos, you don't have to watch it. But today I'm just going to be doing a little unboxing haul because, like I said, I've been working on something, but it's not ready, and I still want to get something up for you guys. So I bought a bunch of stuff. So let's just get right on to this video. Okay, so today is Saturday, July 21st. Sorry I don't have my glasses on. They broke. I'm waiting for my new ones to come in. So I just got my Ipsy bag, and then the package I ordered from Chat Miss A. So let's just get into it. Since I already did my phone case like 3 days ago, 4 days ago. My Ipsy bag was originally supposed to come on the 19th. And then they changed it to the 20th on like the 18th. And it didn't even come yesterday. It's here today. So. Okay, so I'm pulling it out of the bag. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I didn't look at what was inside, but I did look at the bag. But, anyway, let's just get into it. Okay, so the first thing in here is, I don't know how to say this brand, so I'm not going to say it. This eyeshadow pan called Changing Into Flats. It's kind of like a purpley brown. Then I got this Sugar Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Purple Rain. I guess it's an eyeliner. It looks like this. Oh my god, I barely pressed. Wow. I love that. But yeah. Then I got this H2O Plus Beauty Oasis Ultra Hydrating Cream. I've never heard of this brand, and I guess it's just like a moisturizer. So I can add this into my makeup routine or night routine when I'm washing my face or something. And then the last thing, or sorry, not the last thing, the next thing, there's two more things. This Matchbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. Looks like this. Let me swatch it right here. Oh, that's a terrible swatch. Oh, it's not that bad. I love that color though. Okay, I'm excited for that. Okay, so this last thing wasn't in the little pouch, I guess because it couldn't fit, but it was in the bag. So it is this BKR Paris Water Balm Ultra Hydrating Glossy Lip Treatment. So let me open this. I don't need another lip balm, but I love lip balms, so. This is the packaging. And then take it off, and it looks like this. Oh, wow. It kind of smells like lemons mixed with flowers. But I like it. It kind of smells herbal as well. So here's my invoice. I got 11 items. And let me cut through this bubble wrap real quick. Or the tape. Didn't realize there was tape there, but okay. Okay, so I now have it open, and things are falling out. So let's just do the first thing that fell out. Watch me not be able to get this open. Where's my scissors? Okay. So, okay. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Baked Highlighter and Cupcake. Ooh, the little thing fell out. Okay, anyway. Everybody has been ranting about this. there's a terrible swatch right here. It's because I can barely get anything out. Like, barely anything shows up on my finger. But anyway, it still looks beautiful. Hopefully I can play around with it and get it to come up somewhere. So then I got this brush cleaning egg because I need to start cleaning my brushes more than I do. And it's just black, and it says AOA on this side, and then it has little brush things on that side. You just put like 2 fingers in there, and then move your brushes like this on it. Okay. Oops. Then I got these Precise Slant tweezers, also by AOA Studios. And I wanted a good pair of my own tweezers, and if these worked for $1, I can keep just repurchasing them, so. Then I got 2 more brushes, because I love brushes, and this one is the E122. Let me look at the invoice real quick to see what the name of it is. E122 is the small flat shader. So it's this one right here. And then this one is the angled shader, and it's the 111. Okay, and then I have this little bag of goodies. Okay, so since I got 3 primers, I wanted to do those first, and I wanted to save the lippies for last because I'm really excited about those. But I got this illuminating primer. I got the color correcting one, the green one, and then I got the color correcting one in the blue, which helps out with like peachy tones, which, yeah. Okay, so then the last 3 products. This is a lip oil. It's a honey lip oil, and I got it in peach, I think. Let me see. Yes, I got it in peach, but like they have lip oils now. I've never tried a lip oil, so I wanted to try that. So I'm just gonna open it real quick because I want to smell it. And of course I can't open anything on camera. I don't think anybody can, to be honest. Okay, I got it. So, this is what the packaging looks like again. Oop, I'm covering most of it. And then you just twist the little cap. Oh! Oh my god. That smells just literally like peaches and honey. I'm bad at describing scents, but literally like they got to a T. So I'm glad about that. Then I got this AOA Studio Wonder Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Extra. I love that color. Let me see if I can get this open too. Ooh, on the first try. So obviously AOA's packaging is slick. Like, I don't know what I'm saying. Shiny and sleek. Sleek, that's the word. And obviously you've seen this before because the concealer bottle looks exactly like it, except it's smaller. But let's do a swatch. Oh, wow, that's swatching better than the Smashbox one. Look at that. I love those colors. Will I wear them very often? Probably not, because I don't wear lipstick very often, even though I have so much of it. I need to. Then I also got this AOA Studio Diamond Lip Gloss. Where's the shade? On the bottom. It's in the shade Posh. looks like this. Hold on. Another thing I love about this diamond one is the pink lid. Let's see. Can't find anywhere to open this one. And I don't want to like scratch the lid. So I went ahead and I swatched the lip gloss because my mom came in and she didn't want to be in my video. So I had to pause it and I swatched it right there. I love it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think that I would love it, but I love it. So everything that I got, I will show you, or try to show you in my hand. Probably won't happen, but I'm gonna try my best. Okay, so here's everything from Shop Miss A in my hand, and then I already showed you everything from Ipsy. So I'm gonna add this clip in to the unboxing, but I wanted to unbox this like now because I'm super excited. And I'm gonna put it on my phone. It's a phone case. You'll see when I open it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I started opening it. Oh, I didn't do it right. It's open. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Oh my gosh, okay. So it looks like this. It says Girls Supporting Girls. It's from Adeline's collection. It has blue at the bottom all. And it's just black inside. Oh, I can't put it on my phone and show you on my phone now because I'm filming on my phone, but I will definitely take a picture and insert it for you. Okay, so I like filming my intros and outros holding my phone. I don't know why. But this is my outro. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to do 2 videos on Sunday. What am I even saying? On Wednesday, because I forgot to post a video on Wednesday, on my Snapchat, I said I would try to do a double video on Sunday. But I'm going to do that on Wednesday now. Because I just don't have time because I work, all weekend. And I have off Monday, Tuesday, so I can definitely film something. So, bye!